guys, this is Swati. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start our new topic. So today I have bring new topic for you, that is a V-Ray material. The very important topic in a V-Ray, that is a V-Ray material. Already we have learned V-Ray lightings, V-Ray settings, how to do exterior and interior render. But I have didn't explain the V-Ray material yet. So it's very easy, but so many of you feel like it is a very difficult concept. So nothing to worry. I am going to explain step by step how to apply material, how to do the changes, how to do the modification in V-Ray material. So first very important thing is how to download the V-Ray material from Google. Those links I'll mention in description box. You can go and download. It's free only, so they will not charge anything for you for the V-Ray material. You have to search in Google V-Ray material library for SketchUp or V-Ray material for SketchUp. Next, very important V-Ray material, that is a no need to set the setting or anything. We are having ready material. That is a very much big advantage for us. That is a V-Ray Cosmos. This is the very plus point for us. If you are using V-Ray 6, in that you will get Chaos Cosmos. Already I have uploaded one video related to Chaos Cosmos. In that, how to import ready model from the Chaos Cosmos, that video first you learn. In that I have explained, like if you imported the Chaos Cosmos model, so no need to change the material or anything. With setting, they have given ready model for you. So this is also same thing. In Chaos Cosmos you will get V-Ray material. In that you will get wooden texture, stone, everything. It will get marble texture, wall texture, everything, all types of varieties of material you will get. So nothing to worry. You can directly go for the, if you are beginner, if you are new, you directly go for the V-Ray Chaos Cosmos. From that you apply the material from V-Ray 6. And if you don't have V-Ray 6, that link also I will mention in description. You can go and you can download the V-Ray 6 for SketchUp, and in that everything it is free. Just you need to connect your internet or Wi-Fi for your system, then easily you can import the V-Ray material. So let's start our tutorial, how to apply material, how to do the changes for material, and then how to render after the applying material. So let's start. I will show you how to download the V-Ray material from Google. So here you have to search V-Ray material library for SketchUp free download. So here first link I will open, then go down, and then this all 3D free.net. This link you have to click, find a wide range. So go for material. So here you will get so many types of texture material: wooden, metal, then leather, glass, fabric, then concrete tiles, carpet, brick, and rubble wall. So you can just click over there which material you want to download, and then go for particular material. So here with name they will show high gloss wood grain. This is high gloss wood grain. Again, this is the OSB board. So you have to select and right click, and then you have to go for save image. So if you will save image, that material it will save for your system. So either you can choose download or desktop, wherever you want to create a. So I'll select this and then save. Once if you save, you have to go for the SketchUp, and then you have to apply that particular texture. So this is the very first link. By using that you can download the all types of varieties of texture, and then you can apply it. So second method is, it is a very easy. I already told about that. That is a V-Ray Cosmos material. I prefer you to apply only Chaos Cosmos material. That is a very good quality material which gives you realistic render for your model. So let's start how to apply the V-Ray Chaos Cosmos material. So in first method, we have learned how to apply material from Google, means how to download Vray material from Google. It's absolutely free, as I told before also. So now we are going to learn how to apply the material from the Vray Cosmos. So this is the second method. So we need to go for extension first, Vray Asset Editor. So go for here, left hand side, browse material in Cosmos. So select that option and then you will get the so many varieties of material, Vray material. See, this is the flooring material. Again, if you will go water clear material, wall paint material. If you will come downward side, you will get so many options. Now this is a metallic texture. So as you can see, all the material it has come with a setting. See, here they have given the reflection. Again, here it is a matte finishing like that texture. So everything it is a ready. No need to change the setting. Directly you can import the material for your model. But main thing, before importing the material, you have to select that particular model which you want to change the texture. See, I have selected this flooring. Now I'll show you how to download first. So I want wooden texture, so I'll download this. At that time, your V-Ray setting should be on. Means once if the downloading it will finish, we need to import it. Now see, it has downloaded. Now this is the oak material. So if I will give import option, so directly it will import to the V-Ray. See, now you can see oak Northland semi-gloss. So just right click over there and here you have to give apply to selection. See, now you can observe here. It has come here. So you can, if you want, you can do this further changes. So no need to change, but simply I am showing you. You can change the color again. You can change the scaling also. So I'll give 4 feet like this. And if you want to search, you can search, go for search bar and you can select the particular material fabric. Enter and then you will get varieties of fabric like this. Suppose for this rug, I want to change the material, just select the rug and then go for the material. If I want this fabric color, just select and open the V-Ray setting and then import it. So here it is fabric C, not one. Here also it is C, not one. Right click, apply to selection. Now you can again, if you don't want to change from the SketchUp, you can change here also. Whatever changes you want to give, you can give here also. The color you can change like this, like this. Anything setting if you want to do, you can do from here. Now here no need of glossiness, anything though. So no need of that. Simply I'll keep as it is. If you want, you can go for this setting and you can change the scaling. Now scaling it is very much smaller. I have increased it up to the 1 feet. So you can observe here. See. So like this, we can import the ready material from the V-Ray Cosmos. This is one of my favorite V-Ray material from V-Ray 6 Chaos Cosmos. You also go and try for this. Instead of downloading the material, it is the very much better option to do the modeling by using the V-Ray Cosmos material. I hope you have understand this concept. If any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. I definitely try to solve your issue. Thanks for the watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.